right, Algebra 2, we are moving on to combinations. Combinations are very similar to permutations, but you will see the one big thing that differentiates them. In combinations, order does not matter. And just like they gave you a formula for combinations and permutations, these are combinations. So let's say that we had 5 combination 3. If I was to use this formula right here, which again I don't like because I always have a new trick up my sleeve, you know me, we would take 5 factorial, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we would put that over 3, 2, 1, and then n minus r, which is 2, 1. Well, that's a lot of crossing out, and we get 3, 2, 1, which cancels out. And it looks like I end up getting 20 over 2, which is 10. So you guys love it when I throw some tricks at you. You may not think my trick works, but it does. So here is what I teach. I'll show it in purple. We're going to take 5 factorial 3 times, just like we did with the permutation. So if this was a permutation, that's all it would be. And now we're dividing by 3 factorial. So all of these canceled out, so these 3's will cancel out, and then we know we also get the answer to be 20 over 2, which is 10. Let's look at another one. What if I have, we'll make it long, just for fun, 7 combination 4. I'm going to take 7 factorial 4 times, divided by 4 factorial. So when I cancel out, I like to be a little crafty. These 4's cancel out. These 3, 2 can cancel out to be 6. The answer is 35. Okay, if we did it with the formula, we would get the exact same answer. I just like my little tricks better because I don't like to memorize formulas. I like to memorize, oh, permutations and combinations are almost alike, but the permutation would stop here, where the combination you have to divide. So let's talk about that calculator. Just like we did before, we're going to put 7 in the calculator first. Then we're going to hit the button Math. We're going to scroll to the right till on the top we see PRB, which means probability. And I believe combinations are at number 3. And then you're going to go ahead, so you'll hit number 3, enter, and then you're going to put in 4. And when you hit enter, you should get 35. Now, let's talk about the difference of permutations and combinations, because this is where it all goes down. Well, before we do that, let's talk about a couple of these, just answer some of the questions. 9 combination 3 is 9, 8, 7 over 3, 2, 1. We can cancel 3, 4, and I know 3 times 4 is 12, times 7 would be 84. All right, a couple of the weird problems that we see. 13 combination 1. This answer is just 1. And what if I have 13 combination 13? This answer is also 1. So there are a few special cases. Again, most likely if you see this on an SAT, ACT, or a test, you'll have your calculator right with you. When you put that in your calculator, you'll see on your calculator they know that special case as well. So let's talk about how these are different. Combinations, order doesn't matter. So if I'm picking 2 people to run to the office for me from the classroom out of 32 people, order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I pick the smartest kid, the weakest kid, the fastest runner. It doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. I'm not picking a specific kid. I'm not looking for a winner. So example 4 says, how many combinations of the letters in the word absolute are there taking 3 letters at a time. So the first thing I have to do is count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know I'm going to have 3 letters at a time, 8 combination 3. And if I set this up, I get 8 times 7 times 6 over 3 times 2 times 1. And my answer will be 56 different combinations. All right, in how many ways can a student select 6 courses from 7 electives and 5 core courses if 3 electives and 3 core courses must be taken? Wow. Okay, so they have 6 courses, 7 electives, and 5 core courses. So, wow, I think I'm going to have 2 separate problems. I know there are 5 core and 7 electives, and I know I have to take 3 of each. So it looks like I'm going to set this up. Okay, the first one was there's 7 electives, 7 combination 3. And there were 5 core courses, so 5 combination 3. Now my question to you is, what do I do here? Do I add this? Do I multiply this? What is your gut telling you? When you line up and have to solve a couple combinations or permutations together, you will always multiply them. So let's go ahead and do this. We can set this up as is. We know 7, 6, 5 over 3, 2, 1 times 5, 4, 3 over 3, 2, 1. I'm going to cancel out what I know. And I know these 3's can cancel out, and this 2 and 4 can cancel out. So how convenient that this is just 10, and this is 35. I don't even need my calculator. 350 different combinations of courses.